आज का जो एमसीक्यू है वो कार्डियोवास्कुलर सिस्टम से है और ये इम्पोर्टेंट इसलिए है कि क्योंकि ऑनलाइन जो एग्जाम हो रहे हैं आपके उसमें ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो आप शुरू से लेकर अंत तक देखिएगा, कार्डियोवास्कुलर सिस्टम से अगर क्वेश्चन आते हैं तो इसी में से आएंगे। ब्लड फ्लो थ्रू द हार्ट फ्लो, which of the sequence list below? The answer is D. From vena cava, then right ventricle, then pulmonary trunk, left ventricle, then aorta. Okay, the answer is D. Okay, next is second question number. What feature does cardiac muscle possess that is missing in skeletal muscle? The answer is intercalated disc. The answer is D. Okay, next is three question number. What is the name of valve between the left atrium and left ventricle? The answer is mitral valve. Mitral valve होता है. Okay. Then answer is A. Next is fourth question number. What is meant by diastolic blood pressure of 100 mmHg? The answer is B. The minimum pressure at the start of the aorta before the start of a ventricular contraction. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 5 question number. What is the main function of mitral valve? जो मेन फंक्शन होता है मिटल वाल्व का, टू प्रिवेंट बैक फ्लो, बचाता है बैक फ्लो से फ्रॉम लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल टू लेफ्ट एट्रियम ड्यूरिंग सिस्टोल. द आंसर इज सी. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर इज what will causes the sinoatrial, the short form is SA node, to depolarize more frequently? The answer is B. Norepinephrine. The answer is B. Okay, next is 9 question number. How are cardiac cells mechanically attached to each other by their? The answer is B. Intercalated disc. The answer is B. Okay, next is 10 question number. Starting the apex of the heart and moving superiorly, what is the correct order in which you would encounter the four atomical structure below? The answer is ventricle, then papillary muscle, then chordae tendon, and then valves. Okay, the answer is B. Okay, next is 11 question number. Which period of the heart cycle is completely occupied by the ventricular relaxation? The answer is D. Ventricular diastole. The answer is D. Ventricular diastole. Okay, next is 12 question number. Through which valve does blood flow when it moves from the right atrium into the right ventricle? The answer is A. The tricuspid valve. The tricuspid valve. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 13 question number. How is the fibrous pericardium attached to the surrounding structure? The answer is A. Laterally to the pleural surface of the lung. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 14 question number. A drug such as cocaine, which stimulated the heart but does directly inhibit the heart's ability to relax, would be considered a sympathomimetics. The answer is B. Sympathomimetics. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 15 question number. Why is the cardium of the right ventricle, the short form is RV, thinner than that of the left ventricle, the short form is LV? Okay. The answer is A. The RV means right ventricle, pumps into the pulmonary circuit, which has less resistance than the systemic circuit. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 16 question number. Through which valve does blood flow when it moves from the left atrium into the left ventricle? The answer is B. The mitral valve. Okay. Next is 17 question number. Which period of the heart cycle is completely occupied by the ventricle contracting? The answer is C. Ventricle systole. Ventricular systole. Okay. Next is 18 question number. Which statement below describe blood flow through the mitral valve? The answer is D. Blood flow from the left atrium into the left ventricle. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 19 question number. Which structure has the thickest wall? The answer is C, the left ventricle. The answer is 20 question number. Which tissue is supplied with blood via the coronary arteries? The answer is myocardium. The answer is B, myocardium. Okay. Next is 21 question number. What is the innermost layer of the heart wall known as endocardium? The answer is D, endocardium. Okay. Next is 22 question number. Which of the following is difference between cardiac muscle and skeletal muscle? The answer is B, cardiac muscle fiber are branch and skeletal muscle fiber are not. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 23 question number. Where is the mitral valve of heart located between the left atrium and left ventricle? The answer is A. Okay. Next is 24 question number. Choose the structure known as pacemaker of the heart from the following. The answer is B, sinoatrial node. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 25 question number. Where is the aortic valve located? The answer is C, between the left ventricle and the aorta. The answer is C. Okay. Next is 26 question number. By what name of the heart muscle known as? The answer is myocardium. The answer is B, myocardium. Next is 27 question number. The heart receives its own oxygenated blood supply via the coronary arteries. The answer is A, coronary arteries. Next is 28 question number. Which name is not applied to the valve between the left ventricle and left atrium? The answer is B, semilunar valve. Semilunar valve. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 29 question number. Where does the pulmonary trunk deliver its blood to? The answer is the lungs. The answer is C, lungs. Okay. Next is 30 question number. The heart can be made to be beat faster by which of the following? The answer is A, sympathetic stimulation of SA node. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 31 question number. What is the outermost layer of the heart wall known as? The answer is A, epicardium. The answer is A, epicardium. Okay. Next is 32 question number. The valve between atrium and ventricle that pumps oxygenated blood is called the mitral valve. The answer is C, the mitral valve. Okay. Next is the 33 question number. What is the name given to the remnant of the opening of the fetal heart that allowed the fetal lungs to be bypassed? The answer is fossa ovalis. The answer is D, fossa ovalis. Next is 34 question number. The mitral valve of the heart is located between the answer is left atrium and left ventricle. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 35 question number. Complete this sentence correctly. The left ventricle pumps blood at a higher pressure than the right ventricle. The answer is D. ये क्या है? Sentence correct है. Okay. Next is 36 question number. What is the ventricular systole? The answer is A, refers to contraction of the ventricles. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 37 question number. What is the correct in its passage through the heart? Blood is pumped into the pulmonary trunk. The answer is C, after passing through the right AV nodes. Okay. The answer is C. Next question number is 38 question number. Cardiac muscle cell differ from skeletal muscle cell in that the answer is skeletal muscle cells are voluntary but cardiac muscle are not. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 39 question number. Which chamber of the heart has a thickest myocardium? The answer is A, left ventricle. जो left ventricle होता है वो thickest myocardium होता है. ठीक है. The answer is A. Next is 40 question number. Why is the myocardium of the left ventricle thicker than that the right ventricle? The answer is B. The resistance of the systematic circulation is greater than that of the pulmonary circulation. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 41 question number. What supply blood to the myocardium? The answer is the coronary circulation. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 42 question number. Which which of the following heart structure are listed in the correct sequence blood flow through them? The answer is B. Tricuspid valve, right ventricle, left atrium, and mitral valve. The answer is number is 43. Question number. The tricuspid valve separates which two structure? The answer is B. Right ventricle and right atrium. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 44. Question number. Why is the myocardium of the right ventricle thinner than that of the left ventricles? The answer is C. It pumps blood into the low resistant pulmonary circulation. The answer is C. Okay. Next is 45. Question number. Which of the following events occur during the left ventricle diastole? The answer is C. The arteria contract, the ventricles are relaxed, and the atrioventricular valves are opens. Okay, the answer is C. The next question number is 46. Question number. What feature distinguishes pacemaker cardiac cells from other cardiac cells? Pacemaker cardiac cells, the answer is C, have gap junctions, while other cardiac cells do not. The answer is C. Okay. Next is 47. Question number. In a normal ECG trace, what does a QRS wave indicate? The answer is C. Depolarization of the ventricles. Depolarization of the ventricle. The answer is C. Okay. Next is 48. Question number. What would be a possible consequence of a SA node failing to depolarize? The answer is B. The heart rate will decrease. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 49. Question number. By what means does an electrical signal travel from the arteria to the ventricles via? The answer is D. Atrioventricular bundle. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 50. Question number. Which one of the following description or statement about an electrocardiogram ECG is not correct? This means correct कौन से नहीं है? The answer is C. The ECG consists of the electrical event that flow the depolarization of ventricle PQR sections, the depolarization of artery the S section R, and the repolarization of the ventricular T sections. Okay, the answer is C. Okay, the next is 51. Question number. Which of the following does limb lead second or and a typical electrocardiogram represent? The answer is A. A graph of variation of the voltage produced by the heart against time. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 52. Question number. Which of the following event occurs during the early ventricular systole? The answer is B. The ventricles are starting to contract, the atrioventricular valves are closed, and the semilunar valve are closed. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 53. Question number. When listening the lub-dub sound of the heart का sound lub-dub ही होता है with a stethoscope, जो stethoscope में डॉक्टर लगाते हैं. And what is the cause of dub sound? The answer is D. The turbulent blood flow through closing semilunar valve. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 54. Question number. What feature distinguishes pacemaker cardiac cell from other myocardial cell pacemaker cells? The answer is D. Spontaneously generate action potential, while myocardial cells do not. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 55. Question number. What structure in the heart prevent backflow of the blood into the right atrium? The answer is A. The tricuspid valve. The answer is A. Okay. Next is सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और शेयर करना एकदम ना भूलें और सब्सक्राइब करना भी एकदम ना भूलें और कमेंट और लाइक जरूर करें और हमेशा खुश रहें. ओके, तब तक के लिए बाय. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं.